and surprising ways. We are racing towards a future that will be dominated by technology. The path has shifted. The world is accelerating. The science fiction of yesterday is rapidly becoming the science fiction of right now. How do we withstand the tectonic shifts in the world around us?
E3D is removing the everyday challenges that design teams face. Shallow learning curves deliver significant improvements to design workflows, making full use of graphical canvas commands for improved visibility, replacing forms with graphical interaction. Powerful editing tools mean that structures and supports can be designed quickly and modified efficiently. And enhanced P&ID 3D integration leads to optimized project compliance, as comparisons are faster and easier than ever.